Welcome to Defender and Friends. I'm Hermen, co-founder of the company. We build fully restored Land Rover Defenders in Barcelona. All of our projects go through a full frame of restoration process, which means that we work separately with three different teams. First, we start with the disassembling process. So, once all the parts are completely separated from the chassis, the three teams start working. On one side, the mechanical restoration is taking place, while on the other, our upholstery team is working on the design, selecting the leather and various bespoke materials, all while our bodywork and paint team is doing their magic. All our donors come from Spain, a sunny country, so we don't have rust in the main parts of the bulkhead area, roof, or side panels, for example. We constantly strive for the highest quality finish, so even with new wheel arches and doors, we always work with them. We always replace the doors of 5 and 3 door Defenders with brand new ones. 30-year-old Defenders can have rust in these parts. So, for this reason, we always put brand new doors and work to achieve the maximum flat surface. Welcome to our paint job area. This big room you can see here is where we take care of all the body parts and the small pieces around the mechanical restoration. Our main expertise in Defender and Friends brand are not just gloss colors, but also the made ones. As a result, we are used to deal with very special colors from AMG, Porsche, BMW Individual, Audi RS, working with unique colors that makes your Defender truly special. Starting with the chassis, the restoration is fully frame-off. The chassis is sandblasted before priming powder coating is applied to improve adhesion and rust protection, and then a black powder coating cover is given. The entire powder coating process, including all minor pieces and metal supports, is done out at near 400 Fahrenheit degrees. The following step is putting everything together and assembling it on the chassis. This means all of the new engine internal components, plus the turbocharger, injection pump, and other parts were replaced, along with a completely new gearbox and transfer box from Ashcroft, UK. Transfer radius, axles, brakes, and suspension are chosen based on your needs and the use you plan for your Defender. As a bespoke project, we really help you during the process to design your desired Defender, offering a lot of different options in the market, such as seats, stitching designs, materials like vinyl, leather, carpeting, Mirin vinyl, Alcantara, and other cool textile products. Thanks to these possibilities, you can finally achieve your best desired design. The way we help you to design your Defender is through our configurator, which is separated into 3 different steps: exterior, interior, and technical. We offer 38 exterior options with accessories, colors, and materials, 40 different interior options with seats, carpets, and designs. And the last step is the technical part, where you can customize the tune, exhaust, lift, brakes, shocks, and so on. The special edition names such as Jaén Edition, Ibiza Edition, and Alicante Edition are based on the places in Spain where we find our cars, and it is the history of your Defender. Thanks for watching.